Hello friends, today I will be showing you how to change parking lights of 5 Series BMW. It's changing or replacing bulb or these ones. These ones are parking light. So on this and this left and right lights, how to change or replace a bulb, a parking light. Let me show you how to open this and let's replace the bulb. So there are a few things here. You need to open this screw and then this one, so two screws which are holding this light. I will show you one more. There's one there, so there are screws here also, which is this one, and one on this side which is way in the back is this one, if you guys can see here, that one. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So this all 4 screws needs to need to be unscrewed, so all comes out, and then this whole light will come out. So I have already done this one. I have taken out from here, over there 2 screws, and I'm trying to take this light out now. So you just need to jerk it a little bit, shake it. So just shaking a little bit. I think first we need to take out this cap which is holding the little bit space which is cover of this bulb, and now you just there you go. So light comes out like this, and if anyone can see, that's the bulb I'm replacing, this one. So this is whole light, and we're trying to replace that bulb space, and this comes out. Now Eurocar parts, they sell whole set from this to this, but I can take this thing out and bulb will come out. So if you hold this, Eurocar part sells like one whole set. Also other people, they also sell the one whole set. That's very expensive, but we are looking for this bulb replacement, so we can take out like this and we can change this bulb. So okay, that's the bulb we were talking about. So just press and unwind it. It's like anti-clockwise. This bulb works. So finally we have replaced from old bulb to the new one, and this whole fixture goes on the top on this bracket. And it goes here, and now you need to put it back. So finally I was able to install this bulb that's already there. So the parking light came back, and then we will put this bulb also. And finally this one is there. Now what we need to do is put this whole light back. So finally we have changed the parking lights, so you can see all are working. It just takes a little bit of time, but I have shown you only 4 screws need to be opened